Delegates, welcome on board for the orientation program, Diploma in Environment, Health and Safety. So we will take around 30 minutes time for today. It will be just the orientation part, and we will be talking about the institute, the programs, the program insights, what are the learning points, how this course will be beneficial for you, and of course, how the course will be administered. So all these things will be discussed today. And that will be a guideline for you for the next 6 months time. So welcome once again by the World Academy. World Academy is one of the premium and very largest professional certification and education institute based in United Kingdom, operating in 65 countries. And the number is counting on each and every month. Our motto is shaping expertise, nurturing ambitions, and elevate your potential. That means we always beside our professionals for their potentiality enhancement, accelerate their global career. Assisting them, we are giving the platform, we are giving the opportunity for the professionals so that they can accelerate their global career. We are an ISO certified organization. We have a couple of ISO certifications, including 21001, 17024, which is a certification organization bodies. So these are our couple of ISO certification for quality assurance part. We have a very big global landscape. You see here a presence in 65 plus countries. And I said the number is counting on every month. Expanded a lot during the last couple of years. 200 plus programs from academic to certified programs. And we are collaborating with different companies across the globe. We trained over 30,000 professionals. I mean, the alumni size is more than 30,000. This is counting on everyday basis because of we have self-paced, so that every day from different countries, people are becoming alumni for us. 132 instructors from different countries, approximately 12 plus countries. And our alumni having a CISO role also around 30%, close to. And the course completion rate is 95% or more. You need to choose World Academy, the right choice for the professionals, because we have a very wide range of programs, 150 certified programs, 30 plus master's programs, 40 diploma level programs, 20 plus workshops we have done so far in 2024. We do have a very good LMS, easy and very, very user friendly. And also our alumni are getting credentials, the digital badges issued by Credly, which is a Pearson's education group's concern. Our global affiliation, we are working globally with different institutes where the accredited center by NQL. NQL is one of the prominent OFQual regulated awarding body in United Kingdom, where the American Accreditation Association, approved center by Cambridge Academy of Professional, approved center by ProfQual, approved center by Board of HR Certification, approved provider of HRCI, SHRM and HED. We are SHRM Academically Aligned Institute, accredited institute by International Professional Accreditation Council, which is a Singapore-based organization. We're the member for CPT Group, partner of Singapore Training and Development Association. We do have two partner organizations, APA Specialist and English Academy. So these are our global affiliation from different countries. And this course, Diploma in Environment, Health and Safety, DEHS, is being validated by ProfQual. ProfQual is a certification awarding body in United Kingdom for the higher education. And that is the digital badge you'll be receiving for successful completion of this program. That is the sample certificate and the transcript. The certificate is being issued by the ProfQual itself, and the transcript will be issued by World Academy. The program feature is 6 months long program, online class. Class will be 2 to 4:30 p.m. GMT. That means 2.5 hours. So in one class, in 1 week, there will be two classes actually, 1 hour and 15 minutes per class. So two classes combining 2.5 hours per week. So altogether it will be around 24 weeks. Sorry, 16 weeks probably, right? 16 or 12 weeks. Online exam facility, online exam facilities, and we will share the class recording. You will get free books and materials, and you can also interact live through learning management system with the trainer as well as the peers of this group, and live chat support is also available. We are always focusing on the job oriented learning, and of course all our programs are focused on competency framework, extensive practice during the course, same exercise we do, equipped with tools and formats, and online live sessions. And there are global resources from different countries are taking our classes. 24 modules and 12 weeks involvement, 2 hours, 30 minutes. So you can assume that the 12 weeks means 3 months one is over. What is the rest of these 3 months? Actually, there will be gaps, there will be exams, there will be assignment preparation time. So altogether it is 6 month long program. Sunday, the exam will be on Sunday. Not every Sunday. On different weeks, you will find that the class is on Saturday, but the exam will be on Sunday. The timing of the exam is 3:30 to 4:30 p.m. And the capstone project will be conducted after completing the modules. There will be one pre-course assignment and the unit-wise exam. So every unit having exam. That means 6 units having 6 exams. Each exam contains 2 parts. One is MCQ, another is written or essay type. So for MCQ, there are 20 questions, 2 marks each question. So total 40 marks. And for the written part, 2 questions, each contain 30 marks, so total 60 marks. 60 plus 40 equal to 100 for each unit. So total 6 units means 600 marks. And the passing marks is 50%, and every 5 marks there will be a changing of the grade. Then one pre-course assignment will be available by tomorrow and one capstone project. So combining all these 6 units, you will receive a capstone project. You need to submit this project. The marks is 300 for this. And that is the grading style. So less than 50 is fail, F, and 50 onwards is C. 50 to 55, 55 to 60 is B minus, 60 to 65 is B. So this is the way how the grade will be calculated. 80% is the highest marks, and which contains the A plus. The grade point is 4. Each grade having a point. There will be review classes and question answers as well. Capstone project will be there. Class recording, I talked to the class recording will be shared. Opportunity to attend the makeup exam. So there will be, for every unit, there will be a chance to attend the makeup. And class material we will share within 1 to 2 days time. Class notification will receive to the WhatsApp group. Sometimes due to trainers emergencies, class may be shifted, but it will be shifted on the other week, not on other day. And sometimes we cannot maintain the class sequence, and attendance will be recorded. So during the session, you are advised to use the full name so system can detect your attendance. An electronic certificate and digital badge will be issued within 7 to 10 working days after publishing the final results. And printed certificate we usually issue 4 times in a year. So once your course is being completed, result is published, from then the next available slots will be booked for your certificate sending. Wherever you are, we will send your certificates to your country. So there are 4 phases: pre-course assignment, attending the classes, final assessment and final exam, and finally the certification awarding. So that's about the, course administration and institute details. So I think that is end of from my side. And of course, at the end of our resource persons discussion, we will be taking the questions if you do have any. So that I will be handing over to our resource. He's one of the very prominent resource for health and safety program, and he's also doing some other classes as well. He's working with us maybe around 2.5 years or even more, and he's a very, I mean, in-depth knowledge holder in the areas of health and safety. So we will be listening him for the next couple of minutes, 10, 15, 20 minutes, and you will be learning what are the insights, learning points from this course. Sir, please,
Thank
thank
you.
you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jaidi. Thank you for your good introduction about what and about me. Thank you for the praising you have for me, and thank you for your point of view towards the education and improvement of the education worldwide. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, my dear participants or potential participants, I welcome you to the class, orientation class, as well as to Word. A very good evening to you all. Thank you for joining. Thank you for keeping your interest in Word. As you know, the course name is Diploma in Environment, Health and Safety. So you will get a diploma after completing your completing this course, which will be, there will be 24 modules, and within 12 weeks you gonna completed that 24 modules. The duration will be 6 months, as you know. Assessment methods and how the course will be administered, you already know that, so I will not go to that. I will just focus on the introduction part, as well as what will be the contents and what are the modules you're gonna read, you're gonna discuss, you're gonna have. That's I'm gonna talk about. So if you may allow me, I'm gonna read it out for you. The Diploma in Environment, Health and Safety program is designed to equip professionals with comprehensive knowledge and practical skills in managing workplace health, safety, environmental protection, and accident prevention. My dear participants, as you know, your safety is the prime consideration. Safety is the apex consideration for you, for your family, for your profession, for your employees, as well as for your organization. So whenever we talk about safety, safety should come first. Safety is in your mind first, then to practice. That means you must have to absorb safety and safety thoughts. You must have to be a safety champion, because there is no tomorrow if you are not safe today. For that reason, in today's highly regulated business environment, understanding the principles of occupational health and safety, environment management, and hazard control is essential for creating a safe and compliant workplace. The programs covers critical areas such as workplace safety, environmental management, hazard communication, accident management, occupational disease prevention. Participants will learn how to identify, assess, and mitigate risk, as well as establish a strong safety culture and ensure compliance with local and international health and safety regulations, including ISO 45001 and OSHA standards. Through a combination of theoretical insights, real world case studies, and hands on exercise, participants will develop the expertise needed to enhance safety performance, improve employee well being, as well as production and environment. When we talk about well being, you know, you must have to ensure the three dimension of a person's well-being that has been stipulated by World Health Organization. You know that the one is physical health, the second one is mental health, third one is social health. The three health or well-being we must have to ensure when we talk about ensuring the well-being of the employees. When you completed the course, you will have this philosophy inside you that we must have to be a safety champion, because safety has a direct relationship with productivity. And you know, my dear participants, in this world, nothing is free. So always your organization will go for productivity. How could you ensure that as a safety champion? Because safety has a positive relationship with it, your productivity. Your employee will feel safe. Your employee will be having a strong moral and will be an engaged workforce. So whenever you have an engaged workforce, that means you can achieve the ultimate goal of the organization in very short, in very easy way. For that reason, we set these courses objectives in these points: understand and fundamentals of health and safety, develop a strong foundation in health, safety, and environmental management. That is one objective. The another one is establish a positive safety culture, learn how to promote a culture of safety and accountability within the organization, identify and assess workplace hazards, develop methods to recognize, evaluate, and mitigate hazards in the workplace, implement risk management strategies, as well as enhance emergency response capabilities, ensure regulatory compliances, as we say, ISO 5001 and OSHA, improve hazard communication, manage occupational health and hygiene, learn how to prevent and manage occupational disease and health risk, develop accident investigation and reporting skill, learn how to conduct root cause analysis and implement corrective actions, as well as enhance environmental protection and pollution control. So these are our objectives of this course, and learning outcomes will be, whenever you completed this course, you will be able to establish and promote a strong health and safety culture in the workplace, in your workplace. Then conduct effective risk assessment and implement control measures, as well as respond to workplace accident and emergencies with confidence, communicate hazard information and safety procedures effectively, develop and implement occupational health and hygiene programs, ensure compliance with international and local health and safety standards, develop and monitor safety performance using key performance indicators, investigate accidents and apply corrective and preventive measures, identify and manage environmental risk and pollution sources, design and implement safety training programs for the employees. So these are the learning outcomes of this course. Now we're gonna go to the core competencies you may nourish, you may have after completing this. The health and safety risk management, number one, ability to identify, assess, and mitigate workplace hazards and risks. Whenever you completed this course, you will be able to identify, assess, as well as mitigate workplace hazards and risks. Then the regulatory compliance, proficiency in understanding and applying health and safety regulations. Whatever the country you are operating your business, if you are not complying with the law of the land, you will be in trouble. For that very reason, regulatory compliance is a must. Then emergency response and accident investigation, occupational health and hygiene, hazard communication. It is very important. It is very important after globally harmonized systems. Hazard communication, that means HAZCOM, is more prominent day by day, getting more prominent day by day. Competence in effectively communicating safety information to the employees, that means especially in chemical safety. Then environmental protection, skill in implementing environmental management as well as pollution control measures. Safety leadership and culture, as I am saying, that you must have to be a safety prone people, you must have to be a safety champion. Then the last but not the least, performance monitoring and improvement. Skill is using safety KPIs to track and improve safety performance. Right now I'm going to introduce the course you're going to learn, you're going to study the course. There are 6 units. Each unit has 4 modules, so 24 modules you will have in this course. Number one, unit one, is introduction to health, safety, and environment. Then second, unit two is workplace safety. Unit three, hazard communication and industrial hygiene. Then safety management, accident management, occupational disease and its prevention. So there are 6 units, and each unit has 4 modules. Number one, introduction to health, safety, and environment. Number one, introduction and significance of health and safety. This is the module number one, my dear participants. Then module number two, organizational safety culture. Number three, role, responsibility, and competencies of safety professional. Then number four, environmental management and pollution control. These are the 4 modules that crafted in introduction to HSC, health, safety, and environment, the unit one. So is that clear to you? This will be your first 4 modules in unit one. Then unit two, workplace safety. Workplace safety, you can see that transport safety hazard controls and risk analysis, fire safety hazards control and risk analysis, occupational hygiene, ergonomics, safety and risk management, then electrical safety hazards, controls and risk analysis. These are the 4 modules included in this unit, which is called workplace safety. Then number three, unit three, hazard communication and industrial hygiene. My dear participants, very important one. Hazard communication and industrial hygiene. In this unit, you will have again 4 modules. The number one module is Introduction to Hazard Communication, which is in short HAZCOM. Then understanding chemical hazards and its safety, very important one, which is directly linked to the hazard communication. Then safety data sheets. There are 16 section safety data sheets, which is also linked with this chemical hazards and its safety. Then types of hazards. These are the four modules that is embedded in Unit 3, Hazard Communication and Industrial Hygiene. Then Unit 4, Safety Management. Safety management. So, wow. What in this safety management? There are four modules again. Number one is behavior-based safety management. How do you see the safety, as well as how will you manage the safety for you, your family, your profession, as well as your organization? Then health and safety KPIs, health and safety regulations, global and local perspective, introduction to ISO 45001 and OSHA. So these are the safety management unit. Then the number 5 unit, accident management. Very important one again. Introduction to accident management. How could you manage your accident? If any, accident is an undesirable thing. So unexpected thing also. But if it happened, how to manage that? Has been learned in Introduction to Accident Management. Then root cause analysis and countermeasures. There are lots of tools and techniques you can use to understand or find out the root cause analysis, as well as countermeasures. Then emergency response mechanism, as well as documentation and accident investigation. Documentation and accident investigation. These are the four modules that is included in accident management, which is Unit 5. The last but not the least, the last one, occupational disease and its prevention. Occupational disease and its prevention, unit number 6, the last unit. It has again on 4 modules under it. Number 1 is introduction to occupational diseases, then occupational disease symptoms and causes and prevention, occupational injury and its prevention, communicable diseases and its management. These are the 4 very, very major modules that has been included in last unit, which is occupational disease and its prevention. So my dear participants, do you understand what are the topic you're gonna learn in this 24 modules? Do you understand? If I may have your response, kind response, my dear participants. Was I audible to you whenever I am talking about your? Okay, Mr. Mosi said yes. Thank you, Mr. Mosi, for your kind response. So these are the module you're gonna know. And assignments that has already been covered by Mr. Rupak Jaidi, but total assignment, then pre-course assignment and capstone projects will be there. Capstone project marks 300, pass marks 50%. And number of exams will be 6. Yes, thank you, Mr. Prince Mabia. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. So, my distinguished participants, the exams method will be, but it will be a recap for you. Number of exams, 6 exams. Each unit has 1 exam. The number of questions, 20 MCQ, and plus 2. Thank you, Akhtarullah Rafi. You are a bit fast. Kindly send the same modules on our WhatsApp. Yes, okay, okay. No problem. It is the dialect of mine, the way I'm saying, but it's okay. I'm gonna read it in a slow pace, in a slow tempo. Thank you. Thank you for your kind response and kind feedback. So number of questions will be 20 MCQ questions plus 2 written questions. MCQ question mark 40 marks. Each question will carry 2 marks. That means 20 question, you will have 40 marks. Then 30 marks for what's the cost and is there any payment plan. That will be covered by our administrative part. Nazmul, would you please respond to this question?
Yes, sir. I'll reply in the chat box.
Okay. Okay. So, my dear Anthony Amara, what's the cost and is there any payment plan? Yes, there is. It will be written in the chat box by our administrator. Okay. So the exam duration will be 60 minutes and total marks will 100. Pass marks 50%. So this is it from my side. But as you said that I was going a bit fast, I will repeat in a slower tempo for another 5 to 6 minutes, especially the courses, the modules you must have to know, because This will be your learning points. So that's why I'm gonna recap the contents and modules of this course. Number one, there are 6 units, my dear participants. There are 6 units. Okay. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Every unit has 4 modules. First unit is Introduction to Health, Safety, and Environment. These are the 4 modules you're going to learn in under this unit. Introduction and Significance of Health and Safety, Organizational Safety Culture, Role and Responsibility and Competencies of Safety Professional, then Environmental Management and Pollution Control. Okay. Then number 2, second unit. On the second unit, again, 4 modules are there. Module 5, 6, 7, and 8. Transport safety hazard and control and risk analysis. Fire safety hazards, control and risk analysis. Occupational hygiene, ergonomics, safety and risk management, as well as electrical safety hazards, control and risk analysis. Then unit 3, hazard communication and industrial hygiene. Very important one. So Introduction to Hazard Communication, which is called HAZCOM. Then understanding chemical hazards and its safety, which is directly related with HAZCOM. And then the safety data sheets. It is also related with the chemical hazards as well as types of hazards. These are the 4 modules that has been embedded into this hazard communication and industrial hygiene unit. Then unit number 4, safety management. How to manage your safety. Number 1, behavior-based safety management, health and safety KPIs, safety and health regulations, global and local perspective, then introduction to ISO 45001 and OSHA. These are the modules will be covered under safety management. Then number 5 unit, accident management. Accident management, in this unit you will have 4 modules again. Introduction to accident management, root cause analysis and countermeasures, very important, emergency response mechanism, as well as documentation and accident investigation. Then the last but not the least, occupational diseases and its prevention. You know it from its name that there are 4 modules under this unit. Number 1, Introduction to Occupational Diseases, then occupational diseases symptoms, causes, and prevention, then occupational injury and its prevention, as well as communicable diseases and its management. So my dear participants, these are the 24 modules that has been covered within your 6 months time, and the exams will be covered within that time also. So thank you very much. Thank you for your kind attention. Joel, I hope that you have a recap. That's why, I thank you everybody for keeping interest in this course as well as in Word. Thank you.
Mr. Mamadi.
Yes, Mr. Daniel.
Yes, I have one question.
Yes, Kelvin. Yes, please.
Okay, there is an issue of payment plan.
Yes, there is. That has been already shared in the chat, my dear.
The chart of payment.
Yes.
Sorry to interfere. Hi, sir. How are you, sir?
Yes. Yes, Tawhid.
Well, great. Thank you. Just want to respond to this question regarding the payment plan. I suggest that you connect with your representative who actually shared with you the Zoom link of today's orientation, and that representative will be giving you all the payment plans if required. Okay? Thanks.
Okay. The question number 2, Mr. Mamadi. Sorry
Yes.
for
Yes, Kelvin. Yes, please.
Yes, I am do the as a safety officer in my construction industry.
Okay.
But I don't have any qualification. So can I start with OSHA, the OSHA by first stage in OSHA, and then you can join to this program?
Yes, you can. You can. If you want to join.
So
no problem.
Which one is best? Which one is best?
That's a tricky question. That's a tricky question. That's a tricky question. My dear Kelvin, as you are a professional,
Yes.
so
Because
you
I don't know the difference between OSHA and the other university. I don't know. There is any difference.
OSHA means Occupational Safety Health Administration. They are providing
Yes.
us the guidance and the policies, how to run safety programs, as well as how do you keep your employees as well as your occupation and organization safe. No problem at all.
Yes.
But this
Yes.
is a
Yes.
diploma course. So it has its own worth. It has its own value. So, my dear Kelvin, it is up to you, my dear. I'm
Yes.
not gonna say that. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
You are welcome, my dear.
Um,
You are
good day, Mr. Mohammed.
good day.
Hello?
Good day, Mr. Mosi. Good day, Mr. Mosi.
Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Well,
Hello.
I'm grateful for the few minutes you've spent with us, the explanation you've given, and the course model you've taken us through. I'm highly happy, and I would love to take this course. But
Thank you.
I think
Yes.
4 months ago, my contact person shared with me a postgraduate diploma in occupational health and safety. So I'm just wondering, is the academy no more into the postgraduate? Because from the little knowledge I have in the educational backgrounds, the postgraduate is a little bit higher than the diploma.
Yes. Yes. Postgraduate
By then
diploma is occupational health. Yes.
by then I
Please.
showed interest in the postgraduate, but
Oh,
unfortunately I wasn't
okay.
backed with money. So I told the contact person that the next program I would join the postgraduate program. So I just need a little bit clearance here.
Sir, can I
Thank you very much.
come
Yes.
in here?
Yes, please.
Well,
Yes, please.
if you have shown interest in postgraduate program, then definitely they reached out accordingly. So the requirement basically is to have a 4-year complete graduation. And if you are interested specifically that, okay, I want to do a postgraduate diploma, you need to make sure that you have a 4 years complete bachelor's. And you can apply in the live session of postgraduate diploma, which is going to happen on the August. I think it's going to be on the 16th. It will start on 16th of August. So, but if you do not have a bachelor's degree, then you can apply for the diploma program.
Okay.
Sorry
Okay.
for
Thanks so
okay.
much.
Sorry for
Thanks
point
so
of
much.
interaction.
I'm
Yes,
grateful.
Sorry for
please.
interaction. When I have OSHA Noshki 1, how about this program? Can there is any effect happen?
I think Mr. Calvin has a confusion regarding which program to select. Basically, Mr. Motir already explained about the value of its own, and the way the guidance has been given to us, we are actually going to conduct the program accordingly. It is
Which day
complete.
program will start? Sorry.
It is what we are talking about, this diploma in DEHS. And
Yes, I get you. I
yeah,
get you.
okay.
Which program will start?
It's am I missing something? Like, I'm not clear with your question, please.
Okay.
Hello.
Because we are talking about a
Hello.
diploma in environment, health, and safety today.
Okay.
Okay. Can I take the other questions, please? Mr. Daniel, please go ahead.
Hello, this is
Yes.
Daniel Plomo from
Hi,
Liberia.
hi, sir.
Yes. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the course outline. It's actually good. I am NIMBOSH certified, and I have few constraints and questions that I would like you to help me.
Sure.
One have to do with I work with I work in a construction industry, and most of
Okay.
our work they have to do with structural construction. And among your course outline, I did not see anything that have to do with work at height, which is one of the critical focus point of our project. And I actually required to deeply learn it. That one question I have. Another question I also want you to clarify is that because of time difference, because I remember when I was doing my Bosch, I have issue with a time difference where I have to pay extra money because I missed the exact time that my interview, physical interview is supposed to be done. So what happened if after your presentation, I should say, will you leave a recording that if I miss a time, I can follow that when I get home because of time difference. So you can talk on this field, then maybe I come with the further questions. Thank you.
Okay, so let me just first complete the prior question. If you're referring to this today's session, if you want to overview it, we are going to make this video available on our YouTube channel. Mr. Nazmul will be sharing the YouTube link in the chat box. So you just subscribe, like, and subscribe or follow it so that you'll get updates about the video uploaded when the video is uploaded. And if you are referring to if you miss any classes, how you're going to cover it, well, we will be giving the class recordings as well. So we always encourage to participate in the class. That's the first priority that we're going to give. And then we'll try to share the class recording after the session is complete. So it takes a bit time to do that because it's a lot of videos in that, which is involved because we are conducting about 21 batches at the same time. So we'll try to make it as soon as possible, the availability of the video. Now, the other part of your question was if you had anything regarding heights. Well, the curriculum actually is focused on a few areas that we will be doing. And one of the areas was the HASCOM part and the fire safety. Then I think there was occupational health, hygiene as well, ergonomics. I'm not.
May I?
Yes, sir. Please, sir. Please, sir.
Mr. Tawfiq, Mr. Daniel Flomo, thank you for your good question. You are very concerned about your safety. I know that. I can understand from your question. Working from height, working against gravity, elevated space, platform, it is very risky for anybody. We're gonna talk about not in an individual model, but you're gonna have it in a shorter, some short contents will be there.
Okay, that's one. Okay, that meaning that it's included, but it was not show out on the course outline.
Yes.
Okay, that's one thing. Okay, another question is that what happened if I mix the class because of time difference, and sometimes I work like in the like from
for that,
8 o'clock to 5. Yes.
Okay, so if you miss a class, if you miss a regular class, definitely we'll try to provide you the class recording, and also you have the handouts for studies as well. So it's not going to be a big problem for you.
Okay, so I think that's the number one thing.
But my dear Daniel Flomo and my dear Tawfiq, my dear, we insist you must have to, I would rather say you should attend the class regularly.
Yes,
because
that
that is our first choice. I insist.
Yes.
Why? Because it is your choice, my dear. You are you are compensating yourself with the knowledge you're gonna have from this course. So why not you use it to 100%? So it is your choice to sacrifice your leisure period. Okay, so it will be my request that all of you, whoever enrolled in this course, please attend the class.
Thank you, sir. Yes, we'll take the next question. Mr. Jacob Okot.
Yeah, hello. I'm Prince and Mambia from Liberia. Well,
Yes,
I want to say a very big thank you to the organizer of this institution and out of this Zoom meeting today. All of the things, the model that you discussed are all fall in my area of work, most especially for ArcelorMittal Liberia. I work as a subcontractor on ArcelorMittal with a company called LIDA, Lofa Integrated Development Association. We are implementing a project, a rehabilitation project for EML. And all of these things, all of the model that you display here today, for me, serving as safety officer, it is something that every day the topic comes that we go through. And I want to say thank you to Mr. Daniel Flomo for all of the inquiry, because it is possible that sometimes you come for the statics, and based on our time and the network situation here, sometimes due to heavy pull down or rain, and then the internet will misbehave, or fluctuate where there is no way to access the training. So it is on a request that after the training, you should please do like a recording to share it with your participant, because the aim is to learn and then obtain a diploma that will value.
Tawheed,
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah,
my dear, would you please answer the question?
Yeah, I think he was just appreciating the fact that the modulations will cover the right areas. Yeah, again, I'm going to say that the class recording will be provided. So we do consider your situation if you miss any class due to electric load shedding, or you're not able to finish your work and then join the session. The recording will be provided. No problem. Yes, so I hope we have answered your question, and I'd like to take Mr. Jacob has raised your hand. Can you please ask your question, please? Elimo, Jacob Elimo.
If Jacob is not available, then Joel Achoki.
Okay, yeah, Joel, can you please ask your question?
It's okay then, I think.
Okay. If we don't have any other questions, maybe we can conclude. I would suggest that who haven't enrolled yet.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Hi, Jacob. Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, sorry for the point of interaction. So I'm out of my mic for a few minutes because of duties I have. So I have one question I forget. How about the issue of lesson when I'm out of time of lesson?
I'm sorry, can you come again?
Okay, sorry. I ask you for the time of lesson when I'm out of the lesson because of duties of work, either whatever. So how the kind of scenario like that can solve it?
If you are at work and you're not able to attend the class, is that the issue?
Yes, something like that.
If you are not able to attend the class, and you will get the materials all available on our learning management system. The materials that would be discussed, that would be available. The video recordings will be available too.
Through YouTube or where?
We will provide you all the informations after the enrollment process, because we have a learning platform. It's a study platform where all the videos, all the materials will be provided. Once you complete your enrollment, we will give you the ID and password of that platform.
Okay.
All right. I hope Mr. Kelvin has no other questions. I'm trying to take
Okay.
questions from Mr. Jacob.
Hello?
Yes.
Hello?
Can I take the question from
Yes.
Mr.
Thank you for this.
Yeah.
I have
Hello?
a lot,
I've got a question.
of judgment. Yeah, sorry. This is out of the.
Yes, go ahead.
Your institute is registered.
Yes, we are registered under the UK government. You can check our UK RLP number
UK.
with the government website. Yeah,
Hello?
so yes, Mr. Jacob, please go ahead with your question.
Joel or?
Yeah,
Yes,
Joel,
Joel.
you can. Please go ahead.
Hello, how are you, team? Thank you.
Yes,
I'm
we are doing
Joel
well.
from Kenya.
Yes, thank you. you for asking.
Nice to meet you, sir.
I'm a human resource officer in government,
Okay.
and I'm interested in OSHA.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm requesting that you send the postgraduate modules on our WhatsApp so that we
Okay.
can interact with them. Besides that, I'm also requesting on the payment module or the payment design, if you can design a way that we are able to pay and accommodative
Mm-hmm.
so that you don't leave anyone interested behind.
Okay, Mr. Joel, I would suggest that you contact your representative who shared the video link or today's Zoom link with you. He or she will explain you how to do the payment plan, if there is any, how you'll be able to, and of course ask that person regarding the postgraduate diploma brochure of this EHS. Okay,
Thank you.
you're welcome.
Yeah. Again, I'm Prince Mambia. Sorry that the internet interrupted us when I was in speech.
Yeah, please go ahead.
I want I want to understand something from you again, because according to your statement, you said the postgraduate for people who had BSc. But what about people who had associate degree and not a national diploma as well? Will they have the opportunity after this program to utilize the postgraduate program?
Okay. Mr. Prince, I suggest when you talk to your representative, share your academic certifications with him or her. They're going to send it for assessment and see if it fits with, or if you are eligible to apply for it. Okay? Because the documentation is required to check if it calls for an eligibility. All right?
But suppose, but you know, supposed to, when you have associate degree, you will not be actually able to have the postgraduate diploma, because the associate degree is not equivalent to 4 years honors degree. But anyways, the way Tawhid said, you send your credentials to the relationship
representative,
representative,
then
then
they will do the assessment part.
Yeah, I will do that because I have national diploma and that associate degree as well, which it was in the same year. It was a 4 years program.
Yes,
Yeah,
in
by the
that
time
case
there was
it
no
may be.
BS.
In that
Yeah.
case it may be, but I think you should go. You should send your all the credentials to the representative. Then they will send it to UK. They will assess it. If you are eligible, then you can get admitted. No problem.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for that. Okay.
Thank you, Mr. Prince. Okay, so we have one more hand raised. It's Jacob.
My dear Jacob Ilimo, are you in the
Yes.
position to talk?
Or you
already
can
raised
type.
your hand.
Yes.
It's okay, no problem. I think he's not in the position to talk. So Tawhid, then
Yes, sir.
what should we do right now?
I think, sir, you can take a leave maybe, and if there's no other questions, then we're going to conclude the session over here.
Okay, fine. So I, welcome all of you on both. Thank you from my side. Thank you from Ward. Thank you from, Tawhid and others. So I thank you everybody for joining and keeping interest in this. Okay, Mr. Musa, you want to say something? Mr. Musa, you raised hand?
Yes, I think he just raised hand. Mr. Moses
It's okay
Musa.
then. Yes, Moses Musa.